Yesterday I did my makeup like a 20-year-old just for fun, just to see if it would make me look any younger. Well, let me tell you, they are onto something. I got more compliments on my makeup in a single day than I ever have before. So I did it again today and I'm just recapping the important parts. But it's from my tutorial yesterday, so you can go back and watch it. Bright pink blush was high on the cheeks, almost under the eyes, right up here. And pink shimmery blush on top, right on top of that. Just a simple pulled out liner with a brush right in the outer corner, slightly pulled out. Loads of mascara, just pile it on there. 4 coats. I might even do another one. Faux freckles on the side of the nose. I have to tell you, this grew on me. At the end of the day, I was like, oh, I kind of like that. Warm neutral lip liner, coloring in the entire lip. And a lip balm right on top in the center. It's giving cool mom, not regular mom.